everyone. I hope you all are good, keeping yourself safe. It's a festival season coming on, and I'm sure you all are going to be keeping more measures towards your safety, because we all are going to meet. It's the biggest festival in India. Diwali is the biggest festival, and we all are going to see each other. We need to be extra precautive when this festival seasons are coming. Just be safe around you, and I hope we all will celebrate this festival with happiness rather than having common invented in our houses. So I will discuss about good manners today. I generally bring topics with my bad experiences in life. So good or bad manners also is one of the bad experiences, and good experiences I always share. So I thought to discuss to you today what are the benefits, why is this good manners important, and why people not keeping this level of good manners. I guess we all are humans. We've been designed and designated a position in the society by God where we need to, the basic necessity of us is to behave good to each other. जबकि हम इसके opposite कर रहे हैं. We are so stressful in life. We are so frustrated in life. We have because of COVID also we see a lot of failures around us. So we're losing our patience, and we're losing the point where we understand we need to behave good to each other because we are humans. We are not animals. मैंने कुछ इसके बारे में last videos में भी बोला था. So our parents should teach us the good manners, and we need to teach our children ahead the good manners, that how important the role of good manners in today's society is. Good manners are generally वो होते हैं जिसमें हम our gestures are always good. हम सिर्फ सामने वाले के सामने we are talking good about somebody in front, and behind that we have lots of bitching. We have lots of negative thoughts about the other person. We show bad gestures towards the other person. This is a bad exercise, I guess. And to live in a society, we need to, what is good manners? क्या होते हैं good manners? Generally, हर कोई बोलता है saying hi everyone, wishing hello, touching somebody's feet, keeping respect, generous to your elder is a good manner. हम भूल जाते हैं गुड मैनर्स, हेलो हाय विशेस के ग्रीटिंग्स के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ है. इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स आवर पर्सनालिटी, वेयर गुड मैनर्स टीच अस और आस्क अस टू रिस्पेक्ट द अदर पर्सन सेंटिमेंटल्स. So there are lots of ways to keep a good manners in our society. Good manners does not only belong कि हमें अपने से छोटे का रिस्पेक्ट करना है या अपने से बड़े का रिस्पेक्ट करना है, and we choose it as per the occasions that what suits us. Okay, there's a senior, let's respect the senior now, or we have a work with the junior, let's respect the junior in the workstation. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. We have to good manner. We need to bring it inside us. It has to be. We only should keep one gesture inside us. That's good manner. जब हम बैड मैनर्स के पास ही नहीं जाएंगे, and we will not be rude to the other person, we will not behave mischievous with the other person, our behaviors always pay us something good, as in the way of respect. We're going to a restaurant, for example. अगर हम waiters को देखते हैं कि they are such a poor position, we can shout on them. We only showing our personality following such exercise because they are doing their job. We are not doing our job, keeping the good manner and the respect for the other person. जॉब प्रोफाइल से पहले हम ह्यूमंस भी हैं, जो हम हमेशा भूल जाते हैं क्योंकि हम शायद उस समय बेटर पोजीशन में होते हैं सामने वाले के. पर ये हमारे साथ भी तो हो सकता है. when some other person comes in front of us and he's on a higher position, he shouts on us, how will we feel? पर जब आप बुरा करते हो तो बुरा ही मिलता है. That's how the circle of life goes. So I think good manners is always when we bring this in our child. We always should teach only one method to our child, one gesture to our child. That's good manners. If we teach them good manners only from beginning, I think they will not get in touch with bad manners. Generally बच्चे सीखते हमारे घर से ही हैं, या अपने friends से, या अपने teacher से हैं. So if we are spreading one message, that's a good manners. We show them we are paying respect to our juniors, seniors, elders, smaller, younger, everyone. We have a same behavior towards every relationship. I think that's how children will also learn. Also, I see, at times we are very happy, we are very cheerful at the workstation, As soon as we land in at the house, we start shouting on our wives, we start shouting on our husbands, on our children, on our servants. That's not, I think, basically true. You are being dishonest to your own self. So either आप workstation पे सही है या घर पे, keep your one nature, and if it's a good nature, bring it up always. If it's bad, you need to work a lot on that. I didn't know आप believe करेंगे नहीं करेंगे. I personally believe when you are good in your behavior, even you're going to restaurant, you're going somebody's house, it's not good. They will also pay you back the same in your returns, you know. Somebody else will also come to your house, somebody else will also do the same behavior to your house. How will you feel? You know what we are giving to our children, as in what are we teaching them? We don't want to teach this to our kids. So I think so when you have a bad behavior, you lose a lot of opportunities in your life. And when you play good, when you keep good manners, when you remain sane with everyone, that brings you towards success, that brings you toward the growth of life. Because हर कोई अच्छे और happy इंसान के साथ रहना चाहता है, हर कोई ऐसे इंसान के साथ रहना चाहता है who keeps a respect for the feelings and sentiments, who keeps a basic good manners towards the other person. So I guess there are people who always behave mischievous at restaurants, at the houses, at the workstations. They keep shouting. They only have basic nature, that's shouting. They are very mischievous in their behaviors always. They do a lot of misbehaviors. This is not going to lead you towards a successful behavior, because you will lose opportunity. People will say, who will work with this person? Who wants to remain in a company of this person? This brings you a lot of negativity. So they'll start avoiding you. And I think this is an exercise we always notice in our daily routines as well. So I personally work on such efforts. मुझे लगता है I am also not perfect. I need to work on my attitude. Poor, they're rich. I mean, this doesn't matter in the society. We need to teach this to our kids. And I personally believe, on what I am talking. And I see, the end of the conclusion is we should behave. We should teach behaving good in the society. And it's a great festival coming. I'm not sure I would be able to see you sooner, but I would like to use this opportunity to wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. And I will pray Goddess brings happiness, success, lot of wealth to each one of your houses. And we all shall pray together this Diwali that this COVID-19 shall go away from our society. We need to kill this evil, and we all remain happy and safe and sound. Till then, please be safe, enjoy your festival, keep precautions, and I'll see you next time. Bye.